Where are we going, Mama?
We are, of course, first going to Starbucks, and then we are going about 2 hours away to Monte Verde Lake Loop, which is close to Angel Fire, New Mexico.
It's actually not close, it's in Angel Fire.
It's in Angel Fire, New Mexico, that's what I said. And we're gonna hike and have a picnic and maybe find some trails to drive on.
And Pokemon!
And catch Pokemon, obviously.
Yep.
What else would you do with your life?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Walker?
Let's get some
Adventure
Pikachu.
time!
Say hi.
Poop camera.
Oh my
God.
gosh.
Let's go. Daddy.
Where's my Starbucks?
It's here!
Is this technically the Rio Grande?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Which one is that?
I don't know. I wonder if that's Taos or Angel Fire.
Where is it? I think it's frozen.
It's right there.
Your destination is on.
It's nice and frozen. Wow, we just got to Monte Verde Lake
It's beautiful
Right?
from inside the car.
in Angel Fire. It is absolutely freezing. Are you guys cold?
Yeah, we really are.
Freezing. You can't even like talk right. Your mouth is numb. Ollie, you cold?
My butt is about to come off.
Oh dear. Okay,
We were out
so
there for what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, we were out there for, I don't know, maybe like 5 minutes. It is super windy, although you can't tell from the video, and it is absolutely freezing. And it's a mile hike, but it's right on the edge of the lake, so I don't want anyone to fall in the lake, so we are gonna call it quits on. Well, we just got lunch at a weirdly Christmas themed restaurant, but it was really good. And now we are heading to, what is it?
Eagle Lake State Park.
Eagle Lake State Park. And it's probably gonna be another frozen lake, so we'll see what happens. How was lunch?
Really good.
Good?
Dummies.
No dummies, that's not nice.
What'd you eat, Ollie?
Funny dummies.
Are you singing the Gummy Bear song?
Oh, dummy food.
Dummy food?
Yeah, I sing dummy.
No, no dummy food.
Dummy.
You're weird, and that's what we're dealing with today.
Let's do some dummies.
So
Skating on it.
we can go skating on it. Oh, it's not quite that frozen, I don't think, and we don't have skates, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But we've made it to Eagle. What is it? Eagle Nest.
Try that again.
Eagle Nest Lake State Park, right? And it is super duper closed.
It looks open on the left side.
No, let's not do that. If you mess up my GX, I'm gonna muck up you. So, I mean,
looks
it's
wide open
really
to me.
pretty though. It's not wide open.
It's
Jacob.
wide open. There's nobody
Do
here.
not go. You see the the sign.
The what?
Wrong
The
way.
song?
Severe tire damage.
It's not my tire.
Jacob, Donald. There's a road on the other side too that looks really cool over there. I wonder if we should try to get over there. Look at the, is that snow? Or is that just the clouds on the mountains?
That's just clouds coming down.
It's crazy looking.
They're moving pretty quick.
It's so pretty.
It's just
I mean, the area is really nice. There's lots of day use stuff. We can come back and I don't know if they have camping. I think they do. So we'll have to come back when it's, you know, not frozen and open.
Closed.
That would be beneficial probably. But
Not this
we're not going that way because it's closed, bro. Did you hear anything we said?
We can't.
No, it's
You can.
closed. I'm sorry, baby. It's an epic fail day. We're really good at these.
Still beautiful.
It is beautiful. And the drive has been very pretty. So we'll keep going and see where we end up.
We'll see. There's a lot more traffic than I thought there was going to be.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a pretty small road.
I didn't think it was gonna be this non-roady.
Yeah. Like, not a road.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be
A
like
paved,
a different
not a-
highway. This is not a highway. It's beautiful.
What in the world? Smells like feet.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm tickling one. I'm rubbing my feet because it tickles.
Your feet tickles? Weird.
Put your shoes on, you weirdo.
Okay, where are we going, Daddy?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Why are we going to Santa Fe, Daddy?
I didn't want to go. You wanted to go.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why are we going?
Stimulate the economy.
Oh. Walker, why are we going to Santa Fe?
Because Daddy wants to go to Sam's Club and buy a new computer.
Sam's Club. Do they even have
Close.
Sam's Club?
Yeah, they do.
That's weird.
Because we're going to get a new laptop from Best Buy because we have tried to edit photos and videos on our current computer and it is basically a garbage can. So, I mean, that's what we just left. Blue skies.
Snow.
And it is, oh, it is snow.
Yep.
We were trying to decide if it was snow or rain. Totally cannot see on this camera, but it is snowing in New Mexico.
Let's just walk to the left. That's the
Is
right.
it raining?
Snowing, bud.
Snowing?
It's snowing.
Snowing?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. sure?
We are back on the main road.
Okay.
It is now snowing. One second later. And we're heading to the store.
What are we getting to the store for?
Running for the store because we're gonna buy a new laptop.
Wow. What, sir? You know that yelling into the plug of the headphones is not a microphone. Ollie, your daddy's gonna beat your butt.
Ollie, what are you talking about?